Hello everyone, my name is Michał Dobiecki. I am the art and the 3D model designer in the Myth Group. My main job is to create the best models and a graphic for the game called Age of Adventure.
Hello, my name is Thomas and I am the programmer for Myth Age of Adventure. My job is to make the game work. Myth Age of Adventure is a real-time strategy game where the players will have to face off with each other and destroy their opponent's town centre building in order to win. The players will have to gather resources and build armies.
All my models have been created in Autodesk Maya 2016. I also modified all models in the Moodbox. Animations for my models I created as well in Maya, which one after all was transferred to the Unreal Engine. The first step to get a nice model is to have a nice inspiration. The next step is to start working in Maya to get some simple models. Models in a game have to be on the low polygons models. I have to spend more time to get a nice effect creating the UV maps, bump maps and normal maps for my models, but all of this helps us to keep the frames at the maximum high level, which will bring more pleasure to the players playing our game. The next stage is to get the nice UV maps, paintings to make these models realistic. Final step is to bring all models with all animations with the UV maps to the Unreal Engine. Our map is created in World Machine. It's a program which will help us to get the different levels of the map. We got the high mountains, we got the mountain paths, we got the flat terrains, villages, and the players will be located to start creating the building.
The game was created in Unreal using the engine's blueprint system. There were lots of problems early on with the game, getting it to be a multiplayer game. Eventually I found out that the problem was caused by the onBeginPlay event triggering multiple times for the client's camera. This caused issues where the HUD would not show the correct values of the resources and that the interface buttons would not work at all. To fix this, I removed the onBeginPlay event from the camera and placed it into the player controller's onBeginPlay event instead. The part I most enjoyed about making the game was creating the units and the way they interact with each other and the environment. The multiplayer works by using Unreal's custom events, where you can make an event run on the server, the client, or multicast to both. In order to multicast to all the connected clients, the event needs to be run from the server. This means that I need another event that runs on the server just to run the multicast event. Due to the amount of events that I need for this game, there will also be a lot of in-between events, just doing other events. The units are all handled on the server, and all of their actions are transmitted to the client. All the commands for the units get transmitted to the server for the server to handle. This keeps all the players up to date, and the client only needs to display what the server is doing rather than doing any of the logic itself. When a player clicks the button to build a unit, it adds the units class to an array of units. Every couple of seconds the building creates a new instance of the class's unit and deletes the class from the array to prevent it from creating another one.
I would like to thank you for watching this presentation and thank you everyone who decided to play our game.